Hello everyone, this is Harish Pant, and in this video we will see how to install Hyper-V feature in a system and how to create virtual machines using Hyper-V. To install Hyper-V feature, go to Control Panel, and if you are not having this icon on your desktop, simply go to Search option and type Control Panel. In Control Panel item, if it is in large icon view, click on Program and Feature option, and if it is in category view, under Program, click on Uninstall a Program option. In Program and Features, click on Turn Windows feature on or off, and here you can get the Hyper-V option. Just check the Hyper-V option and click on OK. Now Hyper-V feature is installing in your system, and once it is installed it will ask to reboot the system, and after system reboot you can get Hyper-V feature on your system. After system restart you can access Hyper-V feature from Start menu or using search utility by typing Hyper-V. Click on Hyper-V Manager. Now you can see Hyper-V feature is successfully installed in your system. Now we can create virtual machines here. To create virtual machine, right click on PC option. PC is actually the system name that we have assigned to our system. Select new and virtual machine. In before you begin wizard, click on next. Here it is asking the name of virtual machine that you want to assign. I am installing Windows 10, so I am giving Windows 10 here. At store the virtual machine location, by default the machine will be stored in C drive, but if you want to store this machine in any alternate location, click on store the virtual machine in a different location. Click on browse and select the location where you want to save this virtual machine. I want to save this virtual machine in H drive, so I am selecting drive H. Click on select folder, then click on next. In specify generation, there are two generations, generation 1 and generation 2. I prefer generation 2 because it supports additional features like secure boot, SCSI boot, etc. So I'm going with generation 2. But there is a requirement of generation 2 that the guest operating system you want to install in this virtual machine should be 64-bit version only. Then click on next. In assign memory wizard, type the amount of RAM that you want to assign to your virtual machine. I am giving 2 GB. Click on next. In configure networking wizard, if you have created a virtual switch, then you can connect with your virtual switch. Right now we have not created any virtual switch, so I'm just leaving it as it is, and click on next. In create a virtual hard disk, you can specify the size of your hard disk that you are creating for your virtual machine. Suppose I am giving 40 GB hard disk to my this virtual machine. Then click on next. In installation option, click on install an operating system from bootable image file, and you will be needing an ISO image of Windows. So click on browse, select the location where the iOS image is stored, then click on next. In completion wizard, click on finish. Now we can see we have created one virtual machine here. If we want to create more virtual machine, we can create multiple virtual machine in a similar way. Now we can install operating system in this virtual machine in the same way as we do in physical machines. To do that, just double click on virtual machine, and here you can see the start button. Click on start button and just press any key as we do while we install operating system in the physical machine. From view option you can go for full screen mode. Now you can see we can install operating system in this virtual machine. In Windows Setup Wizard, click on next and click on install now option. Here we have to accept the license terms by clicking at I accept the license term and click on next. It is asking that which type of installation do you want. As we are doing a fresh installation, so we will go for custom. Here you can see the hard disk that we have provided 40 GB space, so we can create new partition here. To do that, click on new and specify the size for your partition. Suppose I want to create a partition approx of 25 GB, so I am giving 25,000 here and click on apply. Click on OK. Here you can see these are the system partition, and this we have created a primary partition. We have unallocated space of 15.6 GB. If we want to create another partition, select the unallocated space and click on new option and simply click on apply. Now select the partition in which you want to install the operating system. So I am installing on this partition, so I have selected partition 4, which is 23.9 GB, and click on next. Now the installation process is running in this system, and during the installation your system will restart for 1 or 2 times. After system restart, at the final phase of installation, now it is asking for the setting. If you want to customize the setting, you can click on customize setting and you can choose the option as per your requirement, or else what you can do, you can simply click on use express setting and you can make the necessary changes later on. Add create an account for this PC option. Type the username that you want to create. I am creating account admin, and if you want to assign password for this user, you can assign password here, or else what you can do, you can just leave it as it is and click on next. Now it is setting the different apps and desktop environment for that particular user. Now we can see Windows 10 is successfully installed in virtual machine. So this is how we will be installing any operating system in virtual machine. If you restore it down, see, now we can work simultaneously on our physical machine as well as in virtual machine. If you want to shut down your virtual machine, here is the shutdown option, or what you can do, you can simply click on save option. For more videos, please like and subscribe hpitinfotech.com. Thank you.